Hello, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. Today, I'd like to introduce you reciprocating saw blade, PVC PE pipe, thick R-210. This blade is thicker and also has wider pitches than previous one. The thickness enables us to cut more steadily, more consistently, and straighter. We can cut pipes quickly with fewer strokes, even in narrow space. We can also cut VP and PE pipes thanks to not only a thicker blade, but also wider pitches. VP pipes are thick pipes that are for water supply ones, so the reciprocating saw blade was developed to make the blade thicker and more durable. From professional workers, we want a thicker blade that can cut consistently than previous one. We can cut steadily without rattling the tip of the blade. We can aim where we want to cut thanks to smooth start to cut. We got these great variations.
We can use power tools, even with over 18 volts. If they are small ones,
The blade has a steady and consistent cut. Moreover, it feels great for us to cut straight. This is now on sale. Please think about buying it. That is the end of the video today. Thank you for watching.